Okay, hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Ujjwal Chawda. I am the application engineer here at Engineering Technique. So let us in this today's webinar we will see the capabilities of the 3D Experience platform and how the Dassault System is offering the cloud platform for different various industries. So let us first see what are the industries which are covered. So in 3D Experience, not only the mechanical industry, Dassault Systems has covered 11 different various industries that includes transportation and automobile, consumer goods, robotics, life science, also includes the marine as well. So all the industries are covered in the 3D Experience platform. With additional to that, 3D Experience also offers 4 different quadrants. So in the 3D modeling quadrant, not only we have the SolidWorks, but we also have 3 different 3D modeling softwares, including CATIA, GeoVia, as well as the BioVia. We also have a different quadrant which is called social and collaborative, where we have the 3D Excite, Center PLM, and Innovia. So all these 3 softwares for social and collaborative includes the PDM and PLM capabilities within the 3D Experience platform. We also have the information and intelligence, whereas we have the Exalit, NetVibes, as well as Medidata. So these 3 softwares can collaborate with each other, and as well as it provides the capability of information to the intelligence in the 3D Experience platform. For the platform, we also have the simulation capabilities, whereas we have the Simulia, Delmia, as well as the 3D VIA. So there is these 3 softwares comes along with the 3D Experience platform, whereas all the modeling and all the simulation part will be done by the Simulia, Delmia, as well as the 3D VIA. So these are the overall structure, whereas 3D Experience platform has 11 different software which are collaborating with each other, and where user can have a benefit to use within the platform. So let us start with the introduction. So the 3D Experience platform is a suite of apps as well as tools for industries as well as department and their members to collaborate seamlessly from the platform from anywhere to any devices. So there is no need for the hardware installation. So all the tools which are available in the 3D Experience platform can be accessed and can be collaborate with from anywhere to any device. So there is no requirement such as Windows or Mac system. Users can also open the 3D Experience platform and take the advantage of all the features and tools available within a mobile also. So we have seen that during the our initial stage, there are lots of tools which are right now we all are using, which are not collaborative tools, such as we are using the Gmail, we are using the LinkedIn, we are also using the Outlook. Whereas these tools are not collaborating with each other to provide the data that what we require. So instead, 3D Experience has offered the 3D Experience platform. So Dassault System has integrated with the different softwares, so provide one platform which can be having a solution to all these apps. So this 3D Experience platform will remove all unnecessary apps which we are not requiring, and within a platform we can have all the tools and all the features available within a platform. So in 3D Experience platform, why Dassault System has made this solution? So we have seen that during this global pandemic, work environment of all the industries and all the employees has been changed. We have seen the collaboration between different communities. We have seen the use of touch or mobile within our department. All these capabilities which were not available earlier in the past years. So right now the work environment has changed. We have also seen the new challenges for the industry. So right now a lot of the industries and users are facing the connectivity issue between the virtual meeting, whereas they are not able to collaborate or not able to attend the or participate in the virtual meeting because of the IT or disconnected solutions. So there is a need for this streamlined solution, whereas all the tools or all the capabilities can be summarized or can be summed up in one solution. So there we have the 3D Experience platform powered by the Dassault Systems to provide all the necessary tools and all the capabilities of different softwares within one platform. So right now industries are changing, industries are evolving. So in this current scenario, there are lots of non-seamless business silos such as CAD, whereas there is a problem issue in the user interface 3D data as well as the data model as well as the security. We also see the CAE, whereas we can have a different data or different file format which is not collaborating with the CAD. From the manufacturing or the PLM point of view, we also seen the challenges, whereas there is not, the data is not connected and we have to again and again transfer to one data to another data or one software to another software to have the solutions available. Whereas all the data are not collaborating because of the different file formats or different software requirements. So for that we have the 3D Experience platform which will have one standardized data available which connect all the different industries to all the different softwares. It is connected and efficient. So with 3D Experience platform, we have all the connected tools available, which will not require any of the data converter or data transfer manually by the users. So everything you'd need as a customer or as a prospect in one platform. So we have the team messaging and tools for the communication. So all the team members within a project or with a different departments can have a messaging and tools for the communication with each other. So there is no need for additional apps or softwares required for the communication, which can be having a phone call or a video call or a messaging tool. We also have the news feeds inspired by the social media. So within a platform, we can have all the news captured by the 3D Experience platform from various different sources such as Google News or Gmail. So all the news and mails can be directly applied to the 3D Experience platform, and within a platform, users can have a direct access to all the different data. We also have the collaborative project and task management. So within 3D Experience platform, all the members can collaborate in a project. They can also assign the tasks. They can also work on the various tasks and tools that can be having a project within a project. We can also have applied a dedicated timeline or a milestone to complete for a different user. We can also have the online cloud storage. So right now, many of the clients or industries are facing the cloud storage, which might not be having a security or a data leak problems. So with the 3D Experience platform, all the data are secured by the Dassault Systems, and data is powered, the softwares and the cloud is powered by the Amazon AWS cloud. So all the data which are stored by the industry or stored by the companies will remain stored and will have the secured data availability. So no one with the right access can look at the data from the other department. So users have and management have all the control over the cloud storage to whom they can share the data. As well as we have the 3D CAD. So all the capabilities of the 3D CAD is available within the 3D Experience platform. So we can say that everything you need as a client or as a user is available within platform. So to enable this, the workforce of the future, we have the 3D Experience platform that will cover all the aspect of the project or a management, having all the right tools available within a platform. So in this webinar, we will see a flange model. So we will set up right tools and we will create a flange model which will have a single command for extrude, cut, surface and thin. So all the tools which we are using, we will have a single command to either extrude or to either cut. We can also cannot use surface as well as we can also use the thin feature. So all the features are available with the XDesign. So XDesign will have all the right tools available within a 3D Experience platform. So let us see the 3D Experience platform live. So I will directly move to the browser, and within a browser I will just need an internet connection, and I will directly type solidworks.com/xdesign. So with this link, it will directly redirect to our company platform, and we can have a dashboard and a 3D experience availability. So right now we have opened the 3D experience platform, whereas here is the overview. So in this 3D experience platform, we have the dashboard available. So dashboard, mainly the dashboard will have all the apps and all the tools covered, and we can have the access to a different tools. We can also set up the tabs for different purposes. We can also have the compass, which can have different roles and apps which are linked to our user ID. So what we are having a different roles as a organization, such as engineer or manager, all the roles are similar to that. So we can have the collaborative business innovator, we can also have the 3D creator, we can also have the 3D sculptor role available as per our role available in the company. So right now we have the collaborative business innovator, so which has the 3D dashboard. So 3D dashboard will cover all the fundamental, all the base app to run on the platform. We also have the 3D drive. So 3D drive will have the cloud storage availability, whereas we can set up the entire cloud, and we can have a different set of files to be stored on the cloud, and that can be also collaborated. So as a 3D experience platform user, we can have a different roles available, and we can also have the different set of apps available. So with this app, I will start with the story. So when a user joins, or when a user want to have the idea that how a 3D experience platform and what are the 3D dashboard apps are available, we can start with the story. So here it will go through an introduction that what is the 3D experience platform and how the different apps are available. So we can see that using the networks, we can have a comparison, we can have a metrics available within a platform. We can also compare using a different set of data. We can also have the business insights using our existing Excel or Google Sheet data. We can also have the product analysis available. So all the separated data can be combined with the 3D experience platform, and we can have data analysis also available. So with that, we also have the file exploration, whereas we can have the 3D space, which is also storing the 3D CAD data. Then we can also have the 3D Play app available, so it can be used for the universal viewer app, which can run the 3D CAD or even a 2D or a non-CAD files. We can also have the collaboration available within a community, so we can create a community, and then all the members can join, and they can have a different set of data available. We can also have the daily feeds available. So daily feeds will capture from various sources, and it will elaborate, and it will show us a conclusion in the 3D experience platform. We also have the XDesign app, which is a fully browser-based parametric 3D design app, which can create the models or assemblies directly within a browser without having the need of any of the softwares which are installed in the hardware. So we also have the XShape, which is a subdivision modeling app, which is also running on the cloud. So it is also powered by the CATIA software. So all the XShapes are having a different collaboration tools that can be directly used by the user. So let us start with the file exploration. So in the file exploration, we can have a different set of folders or different set of space available, whereas users can create their own personal space, and they can have a different availability of the data, where they can directly store their SolidWorks files directly into the 3D experience platform. They can also drag and drop their files to the 3D Play app. So the 3D Play app will showcase and will highlight all the visual data necessary for the model. So right now we have opened the engine assembly, so I can directly drag and view what is the main functionality of that. I can also share this file to the other community. I can also zoom in and zoom out similar to the eDrawing app. We can also have the parallel perspective mode available. We can also use the tools. We can also explode as per their construction. So based on that, we can directly review these designs, and it can be moved to the further process. We can also measure similar to the eDrawing. So directly I can select two different areas, and it will directly show the minimum distance based on the selection. We can also have the section view available. I can directly add the markup, so annotations can be also added. With the collaboration, we can have a different communities available, whereas we can collaborate, we can share our ideas, we can also create questions, we can also have the options available to convert this question as a idea. We can also share the survey as a wiki page. We can also share 3D CAD data as well. So all the right tools for communication is available within the 3D Swim community. We also have the daily feeds, whereas it is powered by the NetVibes. So all the data it is storing and it is acquiring from different source, and we can directly showcase in the 3D Experience platform. So right now for this session I have taken the automobile industry. So whereas NetVibes will take, or it will feed all the data directly from the Google or from a different platform. So we can have all the right tools available here. So now we will start with the XDesign. So as I have said earlier, XDesign is a complete browser-based parametric design software. So it will run on the 3D Experience platform, and there is no need for the hardware configuration or installation. So we can start with the new component, and it will ask that which of the location, which of the 3D space we want to add. I can directly add the name here, and it will create a flange, and it will create an environment for a user. So it will have all the tools and all the GUI which is similar to the SolidWorks. So also that XDesign is powered by the CATIA and SolidWorks. So the kernel will be the CATIA, and all the tools are similar to the SolidWorks. So we can have the right tools for creating the 2D sketch. Then I can directly go with the plane, and it will create a 3D model over here. Then with a click of a button, I can directly apply the dimension which is required. So similar to that, we can directly fully define this sketch, and we can directly go to the features. With the feature, this extrude tool will not only add the material over the geometry, it will also cut the geometry with the right amount of profiles. So not only the adding tools are available for solid, we also have the cut tools. We also have the new extrude or new cut feature. So we can also have the thin feature available. We can directly create this profile into direct from the surface as well. So I can go with the distance. We can also have the similar tools available to the SolidWorks, such as blind, mid plane, up to geometry. We can also use the direction tool. We also have the advanced sketch tools available, such as sketch from offset. I want to add a material or not. I will confirm these settings, and within this geometry I can go to the sketch option, and it will create a new sketch, and it will create a new environment. Whereas I not only I have the 2D sketch options, I can also use the convert entities. So it will also offset, and it will also convert the entities which we have in the geometry. We can also create the additional circle for the flange, and we will add the dimension over there. And with that we will go with the feature, and based on our selection we can have a right tools, and we can add the distance such as 70 mm. So here we have created the basic flange, whereas we have the geometry available. Then I want to use the advanced feature. So I will first create a small hole, and similar to that I will showcase how the advanced tools are available. So not only on the laptop or a desktop, we can also use this XDesign or Xshape directly in the enabled device. So that can also having the same functionality available. So here we can see that by directly selecting the different options, we can have the relations available. We can also create the PCD and for this specific hole, and directly it has taken the right tools. Now from I do not want to have these options or have this circle to be available in the 3D geometry, so I can move into the construction options. Then I will use the extrude feature to cut this hole into the through all sections, and then with the tools available we can measure and we can have the sections available. We can also apply the materials as well. So directly here in the material browser I will search for the steel, and it will access, and we can drag and drop this material into our geometry and it will apply into that. Then we will showcase how we can utilize the pattern feature as well. So in the circular pattern I want this hole to be patterned in multiple times. So I will select this feature and I will select the pattern axis. So pattern axis can not only be the axis, it can be also use a circular face or a circular edge, what we are using in the SolidWorks. So we can also apply the angle. So I want to apply a 50-degree angle, and I will increase the number of instances. So it will add a different number of holes directly into the 3D model. So this entire model has been created using the XDesign software, so which can be directly imported to the SolidWorks, and we can have a further enhancement or a further modification in the SolidWorks as well. So we will directly save it, and for now I want to share this model with others that I have created this model, and if there are any changes required, we can ask the community. So I will share this as a picture, and within a community it will auto adapt that what are the communities available for a user or for a specific community. I will add that I have added yes. So it will also share the screenshot of this specific part directly into the community. So now I will move to the manager's role, whereas they can see that what engineers are creating and what they are up to. So I will directly open a new tab and I will enter. So within the same link, managers can also have a look. Yes, so we have login with the managers role. So from there we can have a collaboration available. So in the 3D dashboard we can have communities. So manager can see that what user has created, what are the options, and what they can have, what are they communicating within the project. So here they can see that Ujjwal Chawda has created the flange model. So they can add a like or they can add a comment. They can also share with the different user. So here they can add that. They can also tag users. So users will also get the notification over there that changes is required. So they have added the comment. So so users will go get the notification over there. Then in the content, what users has created, they can also access that, and they can also search directly within the CSW tags. So all the search will have a different options available, which is called the CSW tags, whereas they can filter out different sections as per their requirement, such as where they have created, what they have created, such as this is the 3D model created in the X design. So they can directly see that I want to search by the X design content. They can also search when they have created, who has created, how they have created, how it has made, and why it is showing, and why we want to have the availability. So here we have the flange model, which is a physical product created by the user. So they can directly drag and drop into the 3D player, and based on that they can review, they can see how users has created this model. They can have the measurement available, that what is the measurement between these two distances. They can also add the markup over there, that there is a fillet missing, so they can add here. We can also add the text, so fillet is required. Of alpha. So we have validated this, and now directly within a 3D player we can share this screenshot, or we can directly publish this screenshot into the 3D Swim community. So the manager, it will also have the collaboration available within a app or within a platform. So we'll add that. Update is required, and manager will publish this into the 3D Swim community. So now once it is published into the 3D Swim community, users will have a notification that the community has changed and they have added the new update. So they can directly go to the collaboration, and in a project collaboration community, it will showcase that update is required, and with this screenshot what they have added for the markup, it will also showcase here. So I can directly add a like, and I can add that I will work on that. So I have added the message, so the manager will also get the notification that Udhu Chawla will be working on this project. So I can directly go to the X design, and here I already have the open model. So I will directly select this face, or I can select the features as well, and it will add the fillet over there. So I updated the model. So based on that, it will also update for the other users as well. So once we need to just save it, and it will save in the 3D Experience platform. We can also change the life cycle of the specific part as per our requirement. So it is also come under the Innovia app, which is a PLM capabilities, product lifecycle management. Whereas now I am working on this project, I can directly go to the Frozen, or if we have the approval available, we can go with the release options. We can also create a new revision or a new branch as per our requirement. If there is a change in the model, there is a requirement for the 3D model to be changed, we can also create a new revision over there. And also there is a new there's amazing functionality that any of the X app, including X design, X shape, can be directly switch over for the specific purpose. Let's say I have created this model in the X design app, and then I want to have the capabilities available for the X shape, so that I can go with the switch app options, and I can select which of the app I want to switch, such as for now I want to switch to the X shape. So directly from this model, it will switch to the another app, and it will have the options available for all the features and tools which are available in the X shape. So here we can see that that Xshape app is open. So from that we can directly have the options, or to be options can be changed within a feature available of the Xshape, and then we can go back to the XDesigner. So this was the main functionality of the Xshape, that all the tools, all the features of these different apps are interlinked, that all the features can be used, and we can anytime we can directly switch to the different platform. So I want to also showcase that what are the functionality available from the start when a customer or a client uses the 3D experience for the first time. So they will have the notification, they can directly ask the question, or they can add a dashboard or a story over there. They can also share their content, or they can also share their dashboard to other users for to streamline the process. They can also have the options to check the content, that what are the content or data is available to them. They can also use the communities for that. They can also sign up and join for different communities as per their requirement, such as 3D Experience offers a community for a different quadrants, such as collaboration and innovation, 3D modeling. Let's say I want to join the community for CATIA, so I can directly click on that and it will open a community for me, and whereas all the users around the world are communicating and collaborating within a community. So we can have that who has added the webinar or who is creating the model. We can also ask the questions if we have some of the doubt. We can directly start a conversation over here with any of the member around the world. So there is no limitation for the collaboration. So we can also go to the user community as per our requirement. So these are the different features and collaboration apps which are available within a 3D Experience platform. So with that, we will move to the presentation. So these are the main benefit what we have seen in the platform. So first, that all the files are stored in the cloud with a complete lifecycle management. So from the start, we will have all the tools available. We can have a collaboration available in real time on end devices. So as I mentioned earlier, there is no need for specific hardware configuration. All the devices such as smartphones, tablets, or a laptop can be collaborated. We also have the subdivision organic modeling with Xshape available directly in the browser. We also have the parametric modeling available in the XDesign. We also have the design guidance powered by the artificial intelligence. So design guidance will also play a major role in the Xshape, whereas it will show the design guidance based on the artificial intelligence. We also have the machine learning suggestions for accelerated design. So directly when we are creating the model or changing the model, it will show the suggestions that we can add the dimension, we can change, or we can use these specific tools to create the model. Also, there are some videos that can be used to inspire the innovation on the platform. So I can once we have the webinar completed, I will share with all of the members who has joined, and that what are the functionalities and what are the available content for the 3D Experience platform. So with that, we will close this session. If you have any of the questions, you can directly ask here. And here is my contact details if anyone want to connect with me for any of the questions or queries regarding the 3D Experience platform.